Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We've spiced it up. We switched sides of the screen.
That's how exciting Dr. Lindsey is.
It's as good as it gets. This is a little video on a guy that's now 38. He looks like he's about 28, though.
I know, he does look young.
And I'd completely forgotten his whole story. He called yesterday and wanted just to stop by. He, back in 2003, he had a strip case done by a big chain operation. And then he showed up at my place in 2012, and we did his frontal triangles and a smidgen across the front. And so he looked like this when we got a hold of him. Now, recognize he's already had a hair transplant someplace else. And so this is what he looked like before, and he's bent over. And then we did a case on him, and then here he is at 4 months, right?
Yeah,
and he's got a little bit growing. He's got skinny hair. And just like all these characters, they say, "Oh yeah, I'll be back and see you in a year." And so he called yesterday morning, and said he was going to come by. And he came in, and he goes, "What's it been, about 2 years?" And it's been just under 7 years. No, it's been just under 6 years. And so here he is. He didn't want me to use his face, but this is him. And I couldn't find a comb, so we're using a retractor to hold his hair back. So here's his hairline. It looks good, and it's skinny hair. And here's his scar in the back. His scar's awesome. Remember, somebody else has been in there before me, and we cut that scar out and sewed it up. And like a lot of guys, he's 38 and doing well in life, and he wants a little bit more hair added. And he's got a couple of spots that have probably gotten a little worse with time. But that's an awesome case, don't you
It
think?
does. I mean, when he came in, we were outside out with a patient that came from Michigan.
Yep.
And really, the guy he looked amazing. I was like, I didn't recognize him.
Yeah.
And I was like, I was about to slam, "What are you doing here?"
Yeah.
But he looks so remarkable. It doesn't look like a hair transplant.
It does not. It does not look like a straight line or any of those characters
it
you would
looks
see
very
on TV
natural.
every day that have had bad hair transplants. So do your research, and if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.